And take 3. So welcome back to my channel. It's Desiree with the Typical Budget. I hope everyone is having a great month of September so far, and I hope everyone has gotten their budget together for the week or for the entire month, depending on when you get paid. So what I'm wanting to do is go over my budget for the entire month of September, and some bills I don't necessarily have, but I am keeping up with anyway. And then you will get a chance to see the stickers that I purchased from the Black Shop Owners collaboration sale from July. So stay tuned for that. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you've already subscribed, welcome back. And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, and don't forget to turn the notification bell on. That way you would be notified anytime I upload any new video. So I have my little cheat sheet here, and this is from EMichelle. Now I ended up punching the wrong side, so I had to re-punch on the right side, but that's totally fine. So this is just a list where you write all of your bills down, and when they're due, once you pay them, you just check them off, and then that way you would know that they are paid. So I'm going to use this little cheat sheet here to write the actual amounts. Also, when it comes to my calendar, I wrote down from one payday to the next. So I may end up getting paid on a Wednesday, but the payday is on a Friday, and then it will go all the way to October the 8th. So when it comes to Discover, I'm keeping up with the close date because I'm really not sure if I want to pay them this month. The bill isn't due just yet, and I'm just debating if I want to pay them this month or wait till the bill is actually due. So that's why that closing date is there. And by the close date, I like to keep the balance, well, not the balance, but the credit utilization below 30%, roughly around 10 to 15% on each credit card I do have. So that's why you see Discover close. And when it comes up to the 14th, we do have AT&T that's due, and that bill is $211.66. And on the 15th, we do have the electricity bill due, and I'm just going to round to an even dollar, which is $110. For the 16th, that's when my Walmart closing date is, so I want to make sure that the balance is where I said I needed it or wanted it to be. And then we don't have any more bills for the rest of that week. So on the 23rd, I am keeping up with when my K's card close, because my mom's birthday is on the 26th. I may buy her some jewelry, I'm really not sure, so that's why I'm keeping up with that date. And then we have the second payday for the month, and we don't have any more bills until we get to State Farm, which that bill is $157. And that's pretty much it for when it comes to the bills. We do have Capital One for $215.52, which I've already written out. For rent for this month, we are paying $725, and Capital One closes on this day, so whatever balance we have after this bill is due, we want to make sure that it's under 30%. My FICO will take their money out on the not the 29th, but on the 6th, which is $29, which will come from my Capital One card. And I'll just come back to these here later. So if we go and turn the page, I think I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. Okay, so everything is showing. Hopefully you all are still able to see that. And when it comes to the pay, I'm not going to budget for anything because I'm really not sure how much my paychecks are going to be. So we're just going to start with the rent, which the rent is $725, and it will go up to $745 starting in January. Also in December, the leasing office is going to take $100 off the rent. So for December, we will be paying $625. For Capital One, that bill should be $216. I do have some things that's pending, but I did get a chance to add everything up, so it should have equaled to $216. For Discover, which is not due yet, but I do want to try to pay it, it's going to be $300. And for LCU, that bill isn't due just yet, but I said that I wanted to pay everything off, so we're going to try to get everything paid off. So $349.66. When it comes to Walmart, that bill isn't due either, so what we're going to do is try to get that one paid off, and it will be $161.35. For AT&T, which is internet cell phone bill, so we have $211.66. For the electricity bill only, we have been using the air condition just a little bit more than normal. Normally you would see the bill as $70, $80, $90, but it's $110. For State Farm, for the car insurance, life insurance, renter's insurance, that is $157. And that's it for the bills. When it comes to gifts, which I do have 3 birthdays coming up, so I have 3 kids, well, not my kids, but 3 god kids, and my mom's birthday is coming up for this month, so I'm definitely having to spend money on gifts. So for gifts plus cash envelopes, I'm just going to budget for $840. For sinking funds, I'm going to budget for $300 for the month. Emergency fund, I did go from $210 every 2 weeks to $250, so we'll see how that goes. And this will be automatically deposited, so we won't budget off of that amount. When it comes to random money, that's just money that I'll have saved, so money that other people give me. Right now I'm going to budget for $0. And random money spent, which would be miscellaneous, I'm going to budget for $0. Also, I'm going to give Gold, Mine, and Coco their own little spot, because she has 4 releases this month. And baby, when I tell you that I went and got everything that I wanted plus more yesterday, I was up. I ended up making 3 orders just to get everything I need. I had to go back and get that self-care journal because I do have the self-care stickers. So we're going to budget for $100. And hopefully I don't go over that amount. For vision, I haven't gotten that bill in the mail just yet, but of course when it comes, we're going to pay it off. The last bill was around $300, so we'll get that taken care of, and that money will come from my health cash envelope. So when we go through, get everything added up, we come up with this amount, which is $4,270.66, which is way more than ever. Like, yeah, I need to stop using my credit cards. But let's go ahead and go over the goals. Things like this happens, but as long as it gets paid off, then I guess there's nothing to be worried about. So when it comes to my, well, I wouldn't necessarily call them goals, but it's some things that I want to start doing for this month, which is don't buy any household things except for toilet tissue and paper towels. I need to see about my mom's credit. So what ended up happening was, I know it seems like I'm going to tell a lie, but y'all know how that go. So what happened was, I was looking at her credit report and I noticed that it showed that she's a month behind on a payment that was made before the due date. It's crazy because I have a screenshot where I actually made that payment for her online using her credit card, and it showed that she never paid, which is crazy. So I need to see about that. I need to spend less and save more. Hopefully everything goes smooth. And I need to buy 3 birthday gifts. So the birthday gifts would be for one set of twins and their baby sister. All of their birthdays are in September, and plus my mom's birthday is on the 26th, so I need to get her something too. So hopefully I stay under budget as always, and hopefully everything just goes smooth for the month. I'm pretty sure everything would work out just fine. So we have this page here, and let me just zoom out, and this page here. Now on my next budget video, you'll see me do my paycheck to paycheck budget, and we'll talk more about things, and you'll see where the money for the cash envelopes is going. I hope you all have a great rest of your night or day, depending on when you're watching this. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and thanks for watching.